In this video, I will show you how to fix an error message in Windows 10 or Windows 11 that says insufficient system resources exist to complete the requested service. This is usually a memory-related issue. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. This often fixes the issue without needing to do anything else. After your PC reboots, check if the problem is gone. If it's still there, continue with the next steps. Now, we're going to open the registry editor. Click on the search icon in the taskbar, type in Regedit. You should see Registry Editor as the best match. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. If a User Account Control window appears, click Yes. Before making any changes, create a backup of the registry. This is very important. If anything goes wrong, you can use the backup to restore your system. At the top left, click File, then click Export. Choose a location where you want to save the file. Name the file so it's easy to recognize. At the bottom, make sure Export Range is set to All. Then click Save. If you ever need to import the backup, just open File again, select Import, and choose the file you just saved. Now that we've backed up the registry, we can start making changes. Look at the list of folders on the left. Start by double-clicking on HKE_local_machine. Then double-click on System. Now double-click on Current Control Set. Then click on Control. Inside that, look for Session Manager and double-click that as well. Finally, double-click on Memory Management. At this point, you should see some values on the right side of the window. We're going to look for two entries, one called PagedPoolSize and another called PoolUsageMaximum. If you don't see them, that's okay. We will create them. Right-click on an empty space on the right side. Choose New, then select DayWord, 32-bit value. First, name the value pool usage maximum. Type it exactly as you see it here, with no spaces. Press Enter to save the name. You should have the PagedPoolSize file, but if you don't, you can create it using the same method. Now double-click on PoolUsageMaximum. A window will pop up. Under Value Data, type the number 60. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal. Click OK. Now double-click on PagedPoolSize. This time, you want to type 8 lowercase letters F in a row. That's F, 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 all together. Don't use any spaces. After you've typed all 8 of the letters, click OK. You can now close the registry editor. You'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Go ahead and restart your device now. After your PC has restarted, check again if the error message is gone. In most cases, this should solve the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.